Joint security forces have launched a massive search and cordon operation. Now, this comes in connection with 3 terrorists being trapped in the Shopian district in Jammu and Kashmir. Now, as the valley is trotting towards normalcy after days and days of infighting and constant shelling and firing from across the borders, 3 terrorists are reported to be trapped in the Shopian district in the valley, and joint security forces have launched a massive search and cordon operation. Now, viewers, remember, after the ceasefire was breached, there were multiple reports of infiltration attempts from the side of the Pakistani military, and now 3 terrorists are trapped in Shopian. That's what the first reports are telling us. Circling back to my colleague Zeenat, who continues joining us on the broadcast. Zeenat, speak to us about the developing situation in Shopian. 3 terrorists are contained in Shopian. Zeenat.
3 terrorists are contained in the Shukur forest belt of Kelar in Shopian. This is a far-off forest belt from the Shopian town where the terrorists have been trapped. We have already reported about the CASO being launched, and now that CASO has turned in an encounter. There were multiple security parties from J&K police to army and the CRPF that was seen rushing towards the forest belt. And when the terrorists saw these security forces coming close to them, the hiding terrorists start firing upon them, and that resulted into an encounter. There is a heavy exchange of fire that is being reported from the forest belt of Shopian. We are seeing this is rather the first encounter if the terrorists are neutralized after the Pahalgam terror attack that in which some 26 people got killed and 17 injuries were also reported. This is the South Kashmir zone. South has seen in the last 21 days around multiple CASOs and the DASOs, multiple hideouts were busted by the security forces. All they are doing is connecting the dots towards the Pahalgam mystery that is still yet to be unrevealed. So we are seeing now the forces have shown in action in South Kashmir, Shopian, where the terrorists are trapped. We are picking from our sources the 3 terrorists are trapped in the upper belt of Shopian where the encounter is on. More on the story as far as the Shopian encounter is concerned. Keep watching Republic TV.